big ones in here. Right here? No, like right here. There.
Is that a new one, maybe?
Yeah.
Hey, somebody, can you compare that one or?
Hey, y'all, we didn't. You can't wait, bro. Here, I got it.
Yeah. Order my hair.
It's because I have my.
I don't have to, that's why. Let me read that one in real quick.
There you go. Ain't going nowhere.
Let me read it then. It's kicking.
Bro, this nigga hit it. I was like, ooh. Huh? You get bites, but like, I already know where to get it. I know where to get him. Right under that bridge.
Dude, imagine find that hole. Oh my god. This is good.
I'm put a picture on Instagram, on Snapchat. Nigga, we just got here like 5 minutes ago. Nah.
Oh my god, this thing is scary. Look at me. Let's rip them off before we get the hook off.
He's hooked pretty good. Just make sure you don't get
wet though.
Yeah, no, right here, good. You can get your feet wet, nigga, don't worry.
Oh my god! The poor man, he just caught the first fish of the day. Look at that flounder. Look at his nose. Oh my god! You want a picture?
Yeah, I'll get one right now.
Look at the flounder off. Dude, that's a good one. That's a freaking 19, 18. That's like the one I had. That's the one that Daniel had. Exactly. That's how big it was. It's the same one? Yeah, look. I think it's the same one. Daniel, that's the fish you lost. Alright, let's catch Moby Dick. He choked it, huh?
Nah, he didn't. Look where it's at.
Oh shit.
I set the hook on him. He was choking it, and I was like, fuck no.
Nigga, you should let him. Move that shit on top. Yeah, that's just, that was big. Alright, let's go. Move the weight.
Surprised I didn't lose him, to be honest. He broke my box on.
Ready?
No? No.
Where the tires? Oh, Elliot's bog. Hold it over here.
There's some right there.
I'm not trying to fuck that thing up though. Too many good hits.
No, there's some right here. This is Eugene's, nigga.
Here. Yeah, you fucking
hook.
You didn't fuck your hook up. Oh. Watch out. Let me take a picture of it. I'm gonna look at that.
Oh no, he did choke it, look. Kinda, like he had it in his mouth.
He had it good though. Dude, their fucking teeth will hurt the fuck out of you.
I'm gonna see if I can open his mouth.
You're gonna keep it?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna throw it back, Elliot. Oh, I bet. Give it to me.
Down. You can grab my phone.
See? Sideways?
Hold on.
Let me see, I got you.
Hold on.
Make sure don't bite you, nigga.
No,
It will bite you.
I'm trying to like hold it with.
Right, Elliot? They will bite you, right? Yeah, there we go, like that.
Well, at least your mom can say you don't catch shit.
You know how to do those?
What?
Lay them and everything?
Kind of. My mom knows how.
You just, on top,
Yeah.
just go through the bones. And do a little cut right here. Let's get the whole fillet. Pick it up.
Hold up.
Pick it up more. Like,
Oh, I have pliers.
not like that, because it's just like sideways. No. Wait. Grab him right here, and there we go. Get that. You flip the other way, like yeah. There we go. More. There
Okay.
yeah. But more though. God damn it, Manny.
Man. Take a couple points.
Right there, look.
Put them like that.
I get a picture from my phone.
Take phone.
It's inside the truck.
Elliot, send you that one. A professional picture.
All right.
There's a. I'm gonna look live.
Yeah.
Here, what camera?
Nikon.
Let me scared to hold that hole.
That's 110, I think. Oh, 350. 100.
Yeah.
30.
Cooler is that.
I like them. I like cameras.
To me, at least you need at least a 5500.
Yeah.
Oh,
you take pictures a lot.
Let's move the mayo.
Oh, yeah.
Video.
Put the mayo on Mike's.
I don't do videos. I just take pictures.
This is for me at least a 7200. That's like $1,000.
Mayo, nigga. Hey, can we put the mayo in your cooler since we have fish already? Hey, you know me? Help me?
Don't forget, Eugene's catching mine.
I know.
Because the bitch nigga's gonna catch a red or what? He always catch like the best shit.
Everybody went to my fucking spot now. No, that's fine.
Better, we don't even have to post it. You don't even have to.
Alright, I'm moving, babe. If we catch more, if we catch at least one more, we'll move.
Now I wanna hurry.
Hey, here.
I'll get the big one.
You got it?
Come on, line. Shoot. Hey, come on, line, come on, line.
Why?
Hey, the hook on it. Hook on it. Ellie, hook rod. What are you doing? You locked it? Like,
Let watch out.
oh my god. Rod right here. Rod.
Hey, I don't even have the case for that shit.
Put this in over. Watch that ball.
Hold
Hey,
on.
Ellie, put it in. Ellie, put it in. Okay.
Still got 3 more.
I don't think that's just gonna pass.
Put this in there. That's not passing.
It's not
Put
past
this
by like
thing
noon.
over Dude,
Yeah,
it's like 8 or 9.
9:30.
Oh, God.
Here.
Look at that. This is bad.
We're in a good, really good spot.
Yeah. It doesn't get better than fishing.
Honestly, it was pretty good because I caught like 3 flounder.
I caught one.
That's not a bad spot.
We're out here with the crew, the Boogan squad.
Shut up and help.